Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Square with Wix. This integration is incredibly useful if you're running an online store and want to sync your inventory, products, and customers seamlessly between both platforms. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your website. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Apps and click on it. This will trigger a drop-down menu to appear, giving you access to various app-related features. From this drop-down selection, click on App Market. This is where you'll find all the third-party applications that can enhance your Wix website's functionality. Now, you'll be presented with a list of apps that you can use and integrate with your Wix website. The app market contains hundreds of options, so to save time, locate the search bar at the top of the page, type in Square and hit Enter. This will filter the results to show you apps related to Square. From the search results, look for the app that has the description Sync Inventory, Products and Customers with Square. This is the official integration app you'll need. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed. You will now be directed to the Apps Overview page. This page provides all the essential information about the Square integration. Take a moment to scroll down and read through the app's functions and features so you understand exactly what it offers. It's also a good idea to check the user reviews to see what other people are saying about their experience with the app. Additionally, review the pricing and plan options to make sure it fits your budget and business needs. Once you're ready to move forward, click on the button that says Add to Site. At this point, you'll be presented with a list of all the terms and access requests from the app. The app will need certain permissions to function properly with your Wix account, such as accessing your inventory and customer data. Read through these terms carefully to ensure you're comfortable with what the app will access. When you're satisfied, click on Agree and Add. The app will now start its installation process. All you have to do is wait a moment until it finishes. The installation usually takes just a few seconds, and once it's complete, the Square app will be automatically added to your Wix account, ready for you to configure and start syncing your data. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated Square with your Wix website, allowing you to manage your inventory and customers across both platforms effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.